Hi, boys and girls, Mrs. Perez here, and this week we're going to be finding the main idea. What is the main idea, you ask? You probably know we've done it in third grade and even second grade, but let's remember what it is. The main idea is the most important thing in the paragraph. It tells about the topic or subject of a paragraph. The idea that the writer wants to communicate to you is what the main idea is. Well, what's the difference between subject and main idea? Well, when we read together all of the sentences in a paragraph or an article, it will discuss one subject or topic. To find the subject, you can ask, well, what is this paragraph about? The main idea is what the writer is saying about that subject, so it's a little bit more. How to find the main idea, something you could say is, what is the author saying about the subject? Well, we can figure out what the author is saying about the subject by looking at those supporting details. Details, they are going to give us more information about that main idea. The details are going to help support the main idea, and they're going to show why the main idea is important. So it's kind of like this example. Look at, he's a guy. The guy is all of the supporting details, and they're working together to hold up that main idea. So let's take a look at this example, and we're going to first figure out what that subject is. Jupiter, the gas giant. Jupiter is often called the gas giant. It is the biggest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is larger than all of the other planets combined and can give off more energy than the sun. Jupiter is composed mostly of two elements, hydrogen gas and helium gas. Jupiter, unlike Earth, has little rock or solid matter in its makeup. So what is the subject? Well, it's sitting there and it's repeating Jupiter. It is talking about Jupiter and it's giving us things about Jupiter. So we know our subject is Jupiter. This paragraph is talking about all about Jupiter. And then the main idea, a lot of times the little trick is the main idea is something to do with the title and often can be found in the first or second sentence of a paragraph. So Jupiter is often called the gas giant. Look at that, matches our title. It is the biggest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is larger than all the other planets combined and can give off more energy than the sun. Well, now that we have the main idea, we're going to look at our supporting details. So does all of the supporting details support the main idea that Jupiter is a gas giant? Let's see. Let's look at this sentence. All right. It is the biggest planet in our solar system. Does biggest match giant? It sure does. So far that's supporting our main idea of Jupiter being the gas giant. Jupiter is larger than all of the other planets combined. Larger? Giant? Sure. Jupiter is composed mostly of two elements, hydrogen gas and helium gas. Does that support? It sure does support. Jupiter is often called the gas giant. These details are all related to Jupiter being a gas giant. I hope this helps you with your lessons this week. If you get stuck, please refer to this video or send me an email for some additional support. I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.